Because I think what you're trying to tell me is that you want a snapshot, you want to be able to see all of the different orders that we have done, what is owing, what the part is, and when we've got it, or when we're going to get it. The question that I keep coming back, the things that I kept using to guide me in this was, am I duplicating data? And if I am, is it giving me answers to questions that I can't easily get elsewhere? You know what I mean? So it's like, is this a tool that is gonna help? Yeah, okay. Talk to you later. We've got a lot of restructuring and process stuff going on at the moment. So go through nearly every scenario you could ever think of and make sure that whatever we agree on, whatever processes that we put in place, work and are scalable so that we can not do it again. Really just stuff that you wouldn't even think about unless you've had a problem like that to deal with. So I've got a question for viewers at home. You might be able to help me. I need to set this camera up. It's a little like IP network camera thing. I want to put it outside, but there's no outside power point where I want it to go. It needs 5 volts. Can I run this off a solar panel battery system? And can you please put the link of the one I should buy in the comments below? Thank you. Okay, I can't find my helmet. It's somewhere in boxes, somewhere in an unknown land. So we're gonna go to the local skate shop, which is that way, and check out some helmets. You actually realize you never get hungry. I rarely get hungry anymore. Ah, Skate Connection, there it is. Perfect.
Adelaide.
Yeah.
Big change.
Yeah, I was there for 3 years. Yeah, it's a pretty decent setup. It's pretty sweet. It's actually not that different from a Raptor 2. It's got a micro drop and very small kicktail. It's about the same wheelbase. It's bamboo. No, it's not bamboo. What is it? It's like fiber. It's like coconut shell, nearly. Oh, it is. It's coconut fiber. What? That's crazy. That's like a metallic layer. Pretty epic, man. What do you reckon? You like this one? I'm just checking out the competition.
Yeah, man.
World's most powerful direct drive electric skateboard.
Right. How quick's that go?
Top speed's about 54 kilometers an hour. Yeah, ours is a bit too quick. That's why we're here. I've got to buy a helmet actually, because
yeah, right.
I do have a helmet, but I lost it. (911) skateboard videos. It would be cool to make a little filter in Premiere and just play homage to the 411 classic skate videos. We used to just watch skate videos all the time, just WAP school and skate and watch these when we weren't skating.
Going for a ride.
Slow mode and an R-Spec mode. R-Spec is just really fucking fast.
Okay.
Slow is what you should do as a beginner. Yeah.
E6500. Sony.
Rowan's having his first go on the Raptor 2. It's on slow mode, but it's still, slow mode's still pretty fast.
The slow mode. That is really quick for a skateboard. Alright, wow, that's really quick. Oh my god. Turn around. Let's go. That was intense. So just gonna get a couple of quick drone shots before the end of the day.